Yesterday we had the Bhumi Puja for Ram Temple.
Yes.
I think it's going to create um, a golden period for India.
I'm
Ram is not just a Hindu god. Can I add one more
yes,
thing?
of course. Yes.
When I went to Indonesia for performances, that was quite some time back. People on the road, you meet so many people. That's the advantage of being an artist. You meet people at the president level and also in the bazaar. Somebody asked me, um, we have Ayodhya in our country. Who's saying? An Indonesian on the street. They have Jogjakarta, which is actually Ayodhya. Ayodhya is there because Rama is there, Maryada Purusha, not only here. It's a Muslim country, but it's amazing right from textile industry, Indorama textile industry, to the barber shop. Everything is named after Rama. In Jakarta, right in the center of a very crowded place, you see a huge Hanuman, flying Hanuman, above the bridge. So this is how Ramayana has got its roots all over Asia and particularly Southeast Asia. So yesterday, I'm sure not only in India, all over Southeast Asia, people would have been so jubilant. I, I had the honor, I had the privilege of performing Ramaya Tubhyam Namaha, my solo recital of Ramayana, inside that Babri Masjid years ago, before it was demolished. And I had Rama idol on one side where I danced. And my audience had a lot of Muslims there. They sat, the local Muslims sat and they enjoyed my Ramaya Tubhyam Namaha performance. This was before all the problems started. So, beyond how to live happily, how to make others live happily. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your time and a wonderful revelation. Thank you once again.